You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words. So that's French adjectives, male and female, masculine, feminine, for the word kind. To be kind in French is said as gentil. So that's your top word here. That's male. If you're talking to a boy or a man, or about a boy or a man, gentil, gentil. So the L is silent at the end, right? Gentil, gentil. That's male. Now the bottom word on your screen here is the feminine, the female, and it's pronounced gentille. E at the end. So I-double-L-E is pronounced E. E. So feminine, gentille. Gentil is masculine. Gentille is feminine. Gentil, gentille. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.